Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you, whether you're brand new or you've been with me since the beginning. Today I'm doing the drawing for the winner of this journal that I made a while ago. And for this journal, I used Carta paper, which is really thick and wonderful. You might be able to see the texture. And I believe this collection is called Rustic Elegance. I don't know. My craft room is, well, I've moved on from this project. In fact, it's been a while and I meant to draw earlier. And I just want to thank Beth from Bourbon Creek Crafts. Remember that she happy mailed me the ephemera pack because I had the paper, so she thought they should be together. So she also contributed to this giveaway. And I appreciate each and every one of you who take the time to watch my videos and leave me comments. And to enter this drawing, you had to put the word love in your comment. So I have pulled up the video, filtered for the word love. Let's go ahead and get the comments. See how many we had. Is it going? I don't think it went. Let's try again. My hands might be too cold. Okay, so we had 15 entries for this. This journal is a little bit specific, so maybe it didn't fit what everybody had going on this summer. But Kristen had the idea of it could be a graduation journal too, and I thought that was a really fun idea. Okay, so then we just go ahead and pick start and drum roll and see who won the journal. Da, 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 da. Pamela. So Pamela watches my videos and comments. She follows me on Facebook. She is so super supportive of my channel, and I just really appreciate her. And her comment was, love both you and Beth. That's fabulous, Pamela. Thanks so much. Leave me a comment down below and I'll check in with you. I should have your address somewhere, right? Because you've sent me happy mail. So I'll look around, but maybe send me an email or message me on Instagram. You know I'm not that good at Facebook, so maybe if you message me in there, it'll take me longer to find it. Okay, congratulations to all of you who entered, and congratulations especially to Pamela. Thanks so much, everybody. Bye-bye.